Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to get to the new online platform and how to access your assignments and ask any questions that you have. And this is for all 7th grade science classes. So I am on my device. I just went to Google, my web browser. I am going to go to ck12.org/individual singular student, not student. And then I'm going to hit go. You should see this kind of green background here, this register now webinar thing. You're going to the top right corner right here. You're going to hit sign in. You've all been registered with your lunch number, so you're going to put your lunch number. And for the sake of this tutorial, I created a fake lunch number. By all means, go in there and do my homework for me. Sign in. Lunch number. Then you are on this homepage. So this shows all of your classes and your assignments. So what you can do here is you can go into the page. You can see the assignments. You can see question and answer board, where you can ask any peers any questions. I'll post bell ringers for extra credit. We'll post some challenges on there. Here you'll see shared resources. This is where I'll post extra brain pops or brain pop videos, some YouTube tutorials, something similar to this. Members is where you can see your classmates. It's not that helpful to y'all. And then when you go to assignments, this is what your page will look like. On the phone, you just click start and it'll take you to your first assignment. And most of them are about 7 to 12 minutes, and you only have 5 a week. So this is substantially less time than you would usually spend in class. So there's practice, there's a article, graphic organizer to help you with your matching. So there's a lot of different activities. So you're not just like reading a passage, answering questions. So hopefully that'll be a bit more engaging for you. And like we said, we will be posting resources on the shared resources site. And you can always go to the Q&A if you have any questions.